Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Morpheus from Holt Bladeworks, and I'm gonna do a real quick review, but hey, you know what, don't forget to like, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think about this pretty interesting liner lock from Holt Bladeworks. It is made in US. The price on this guy was around 11.50, something in that ballpark, because this is a little bit more precious version with the pivot collar, a nice dual ano. I believe this is burnished handles, M390 blade, which is marked somewhere right over here. There you go. And I mean, the milling is spectacular. That's the first thing that just jumps to your eye is gorgeously anodized by Angie, is amazingly milled. It's a really cool set of scales for sure. It is a crazy action knife, really intense action, like gorgeous, really gorgeous. The look of this knife reminds me of the Haptic and the Spectre, because for example, you get like a Spectre right over here and you get like the Haptic right over here. I'm gonna do this video a little bit more thorough, but just real quick, the handles kind of like is inherited from the Haptic, and the blade kind of like inherited from the Spectre. So it's like a mixture of both. Probably Spectre is still my favorite, but nonetheless, this is a nice evolution of the brand, showing that they can do some pretty cool liner locks. Titanium scales, inset liner, like screwed in from the inside. Beautiful milling on the inside. Check my maintenance video on this fella to check it out and see how cool is this guy on the inside. The size of this one is gonna be like 3.2 inches for the cutting edge of the blade and 4.2 inches for the handle, for an overall length of 7.5 inches, and the weight is not gonna be too bad. It's like, it feels dense but not heavy. Let's see. 3.84 ounces, not too shabby in the pocket, is gonna be pretty pleasant. Nice titanium back spacer, tip-up carry only pocket clip, pretty much deep carry, hidden hardware, ergonomics phenomenal. Like the Haptic ergos were gorgeous, like this finger groove is insane. Near mirror polished blade is fantastic. Functional jimping, not too aggressive. Action is just nuts. It's ridiculous, guys. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.